Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I will show you how you can improve your face unlock speed. So take a look. When I try to unlock with my face, it looks like that, and I have to swipe. But of course, as you can see, it takes a lot of time, right? And right now even my face is not matched, so let's try again. Okay, and right now we have to swipe. And if you want to make it faster, go for the settings. Next, we have to scroll down and find biometrics and the security. Go for face recognition, input lock method. And right now we have to turn off this option to stay on the lock screen until we swipe. Next, let's enable the faster recognition. Don't worry about that. I tested this option and there is no way to trick that option with video or image. Also, turn off require open eyes and click to brighten screen. It will increase screen brightness temporarily so our face can be recognized even in the dark. And take a look right now. What is the difference? As you can see right now, it's much faster. We don't have to swipe and it goes very, very fast. So that's how we can improve face unlock speed, face unlock in your Note 10 Lite. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.